Okay guys, so this is my new intro because I made a real intro and then I deleted my whole intro. And here I am making another intro. Thank God my makeup video wasn't deleted because that would have been bad. But here we go. I get these wrinkles right here and these areas and right here, so I'm just gonna put some extra right here so that doesn't show. We're gonna make an illusion. We're gonna pretend to be like 10 years younger, okay guys? Like if you guys have some extra wrinkles, you know, you even put it under your eye, but don't put too much because it's kind of silky, so your eye makeup might droop down.
You know what this line right here is going to be go-to. I like this one. I like all of my lines. And you should too. Okay, enough of primer.
We're cute. And this is the finished look, guys. Okay, if you like the video, thumbs up. Bye. I lied. Okay, so now we're gonna do foundation. And I'm using this one by Lancome in the shade 270. Since my forehead is kind of, you know, it's big, but this brush is too big for it, so I'm gonna use a buffing brush just so I can buff it out. This one by Real Techniques. Okay, next we're going to put on concealer. I'm going to use the Shape Tape, and it's in the color light medium. This brush so I can blend this out a little more because that sponge was kind of too big. Alright, and now we're gonna set this. And I'm going to be using the Velvetizer by Urban Decay. Okay, now I'm going to use this bronzer by Too Faced, the chocolate matte bronzer. It won't open. I guess we're not going to use this bronzer today. Oh, yes, got it. Okay. Can you see it? Yes. And this thing, if you have it at home, you know it smells like chocolate. It smells so good. And then if you do like this line right here is gonna help you guide you. Help you guide you. Help guide you. And then if you want to slim up a little, just put some right here and then no one's gonna know. Good thing it's a summer, guys, so take advantage of this bronzed look. But you can do this anytime, of course, but you know. So for highlighter, I just bought this one by Smashbox and I'm so excited to use it. I just hope it's really cute. It looks good on me. The Gilded Rose. Look how cute that is, guys. Just look at the packaging. I don't even want to use it. I just want to keep it for the packaging. It just looks, I don't know, it just looks so cute. It's cute. And you know what? I'm glad it's cute because I can't return it because I bought it on clearance. And I just feel like you can never have too much highlighter. Like, you can just add as much as you want. Just continue to add forever. And you know what? I know people only, like, some people only put it right here, but I bring it down all the way over here, and that's just me. And some right here on my Cupid's bow. Not big enough already. And you know what? Let's get under these brows too. That glow. And now I'm gonna use this eyeshadow by Stila in the color Kitten Karma. Can you see that? No, you guys cannot, but it's Kitten Karma. I just like putting a little bit on my finger like this. See, look how cute that is. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, look at this. Ooh. And if you guys want a little bit more highlight glow, because I love highlight, and you just can never have enough, by Smashbox in the color Gold Glitz. Okay. Now let's see. I never used this one before, so hopefully it looks good.
Ooh, let's get it stripping.
I think I went a little bit overboard on the highlight, but it's okay. Still cute though. Oh my god, I think I just took some of my foundation off. You know, I'll be fine. Now for eyeliner, I'm gonna use this one by Japanesque. It comes in a trio. And I'm gonna put it so I can highlight, make my eyes pop a little more in the inner corner. And then this one by It Cosmetics, the No Tug eyeliner. Ooh. I guess it did tug. And I'm just gonna leave that area with a little bit of the eyeliner, of the white one. And to prime my mascara, I'm going to use this one by Lancome. I'm going to use this one by NYX in the color Nude Suede Shoes. And then this lip paint by Tarte in the shade Exposed. And then to set my makeup in place, I'm going to use this setting powder by It Cosmetics by Pores. And this is the finished look. Now if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and hope to see you again. Bye. Oh, grrr. I'm still here. You thought I was gone.